Hi, I'm Steve with Southwest Exteriors and welcome back to the Home Solutions channel. We all spend a significant amount of time indoors, so why not make our homes as comfortable and energy efficient as possible? By improving your home's energy efficiency, you not only save money, but also enhance air quality and temperature regulation. So in this video, we're going to explore 8 simple ways to make your home more efficient, saving you money and benefiting the environment at the same time. Let's get started. Number 1. Repairing leaky faucets. Did you know that a single faucet that drips once per minute wastes over 34 gallons of water a year? That's a lot. By repairing leaky faucets in your bathrooms, kitchens, and outdoor spigots, you can conserve water, save energy, and put that water to better use. Number 2. Ensure proper functioning of windows and doors. Windows and doors that don't close properly can let precious air escape from your home and allow unwanted drafts inside. This not only affects temperature regulation, but also forces your HVAC system to work harder. If you notice drafts or malfunctioning windows and doors, consider replacing them to improve efficiency and save energy. Number 3. Seal the seams around windows and doors. Open or damaged caulk and seals around windows and doors can create drafts, wasting energy and compromising efficiency. Check for cracks in caulking and peeling around your windows. You can easily repair them with high-grade caulking or use weather stripping to seal drafts. Don't forget to check the door frame and bottom threshold too. Number 4. Add window coverings. Window coverings such as curtains or blinds are not only stylish, but also functional. They help block solar heat, insulate your home, and keep it cooler during hot summer months. By investing in new window coverings, you can regulate the temperature inside your home and reduce the strain on your HVAC system. Number 5, unplug unused appliances and electronics. Did you know that even when appliances and electronics are not turned on, they still consume energy in standby mode? Unplugging unused appliances like lamps, chargers, or turning off power strips can significantly reduce your overall energy use. It's a simple habit that can make a big difference. Number 6. Turn off lights and fans when away. Leaving lights and fans on when nobody's home is an energy drain. Get into the habit of turning them off and even unplugging them when you're away for an extended period. This small change can lower your energy bills and help conserve energy. Number 7. Install dimmers for your lighting. Who doesn't love a cozy ambient atmosphere? By installing dimmers on your most used lamps and overhead lights, you can enjoy your preferred lighting while using less energy. Dimmers help lower your electricity bills and extend the lifespan of your lighting bulbs. It's a win-win for both your pocket and the environment. Number 8. Switch to LED light bulbs if you haven't already. LED light bulbs are superheroes when it comes to energy efficiency. They use 75% less energy than traditional incandescent bulbs and last 25 times longer. By switching to LED bulbs in your most frequently used light fixtures, you'll conserve energy and reduce the frequency of bulb replacements. It's an illuminating choice. Making your home more efficient doesn't have to be a daunting task. By implementing these simple tactics, you're not only saving money, but also contributing to a greener future. Remember, every small step really does count. Now, what about the outside of your home? If you're looking for some simple ways to enhance the exterior of your home, check out the video linked above. Thank you for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want you to have the look you love coming home to.